Congratulations! You now own a utility Tautliner curtain-sided trailer. A trailer engineered like no other, from a trailer manufacturer like no other. The utility Tautliner curtain-sided trailer is perhaps the most versatile trailer in the industry. It loads like a flatbed, but protects like a van. Fitted with durable Kenadine Kinsider curtains, the Tautliner provides three-way simultaneous access for optimum load versatility. This video will demonstrate the best operation and maintenance practices you can use to keep your new Tautliner curtains looking great and operating safely and efficiently for years to come. What really makes the Tautliner stand out from other curtain side offerings is its advanced Kinsider curtain technology from Kenadine. Made of a tough PVC-coated polyester substrate, Kinsider high-strength curtains are as thick or thicker than most competing tarp materials, ensuring longer curtain life and easier maintenance. Base curtain material weighs in at 26.5 ounces per square yard and comes in 13 standard colors suitable for inking and silk screening. Premium digital curtain material weighs in at 29.5 ounces per square yard and accepts utilities digital printing with vivid resolutions of up to 360 dots per square inch. Premium curtains also have an anti-graffiti coating that resists UV rays and fungal growth. The massive display areas on the Tautliner offer a magnificent opportunity for a moving billboard. Just submit your high-resolution artwork for a custom-applied or digital display that will get you real attention. Keeping your standard and premium Tautliner curtains looking great couldn't be easier. Just clean them regularly with mild soap and water. That's it. And for those with premium curtains and graphics, you have the ultimate in asset protection. If your trailer curtain has been vandalized with spray paint, you're going to appreciate the material's anti-graffiti properties. You can simply use alcohol or petroleum distillates to remove all traces. You'll also be happy to know that this removal process can be used up to 400 times with no visible impact on the curtain's graphic appearance. Tautliner's three-way simultaneous access means faster loading and unloading capabilities. It eliminates first-on, last-off load planning problems, ensuring quicker deliveries and improved profitability. Kite Track allows lift-out posts to be removed and positioned on either end of the trailer, making cargo access more flexible. The Kinsider curtains on your Tautliner trailer are designed to provide superior load protection in all kinds of weather and operate best in temperatures between 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 Celsius, and minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 30 Celsius. A weather-tight pelmet is integrated into the curtain's top rail to prevent moisture intrusion. Closures use web assemblies with pull-to-release buckles located at the bottom of high-frequency welded PVC saturated polyester reinforcement straps. Fasteners are augmented with double screws and bolt plates. This robust and efficient system saves time when opening and closing the curtain. Tensioning mechanisms are easy to operate, and vertical curtain anchor posts are simple to seat and unseat. Once disengaged, the curtain slides smoothly and almost effortlessly using N6 high-resistance nylon rollers with sealed bearings. Just make sure the track remains free of debris by cleaning on a monthly basis. Otherwise, the Kinsider curtains on your Tautliner trailer are virtually maintenance-free, with the exception of the system's tensioning mechanisms, which should be lubricated at least once annually. Because durability and longevity have been engineered into your Tautliner, that's about all you need to know to keep its curtains looking good and functioning properly. If you have questions, particularly regarding non-curtain components, please contact your local dealer or visit us at utilitytrailer.com.